Just this morning, the province's chief public health officer, Dr. Brent Rusin, said because the Prairie Mountain Health Region has had so many new cases, he's expanding vaccine eligibility for children from 6 months to under 1 year.
And if you're living in an area that has a significant level of transmission, then you're going to want to be a bit cautious on where you are. Large events, there's going to be increased risk of transmission there. But I would focus on, ensuring the people that are closest to baby are up to date on their vaccines.
If the number of cases continues to rise, some rural healthcare facilities may not have the capacity to house all the sick, according to Doctors Manitoba President Dr. Nichelle Desilets, who is also a physician in Neepawa.
Aside from being vaccinated, the only way to prevent the spread is to isolate when you are feeling unwell. But my hospital sure doesn't have a whole lot of space to separate and isolate people who are feeling unwell.
I spoke with a Brandon daycare operator who says so far there have been no measles cases among the dozens of children in her care. Marianne Thiessen with BU Early Learning Center says she's grateful for parents who've had their kids vaccinated.
COVID has taught us a lot. We've gone through it. And okay, here's another illness that potentially for some can be life-threatening, for others not. And our families have stepped up. So I can just say we really appreciate the families who are able to make inoculations a priority.
The next big event here in Brandon is the Royal Manitoba Winter Fair, scheduled for the end of March, with upwards of 40,000 people expected. The fair's president told me they are taking it seriously and will follow any recommendations from public health, adding they're not ringing the alarm bells just yet. Michelle McDougall, CBC News, Brandon.